Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to shed those extra pounds and unveil the future healthier you? Today we have got a jam-packed video all about the best exercises for burning fats. No more excuses. Let's get started. The number 1. Jumping jacks. We have got a classic favorite, jumping jacks. Start by standing with your feet together. Then jump up while spreading your arms and legs apart. It's a full body workout that gets your heart rate up and burns calories fast. Number 2. High intensity interval training. Next, we have got high intensity interval training. It's like the magic for fat loss. You alternate between short bursts of intense exercises and brief rest periods. It's time efficient and highly effective. Number 3. Squats. Squats are another must-try fat-burning exercise. Just lower your body by bending your knees while keeping your back in a straight position. This targets your legs and glutes, and it's incredibly effective for fat loss. Number 4. Burpees. Burpees. They might sound intimidating, but they are fantastic for torching fat. Jump, drop to a push-up position, do a push-up, and then jump again. It's a full body workout that gets the job done. Last but not least, number 5. Running. Finally, we have got plain and simple running. Lace up those sneakers and hit the pavement. Running is an excellent way to burn calories and fat. You can do it anywhere, and it's perfect for all fitness levels. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the best exercises for burning fats. But remember, constancy is key. Include these exercises in your routine, and you will be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Thanks for watching and keep burning that fat. See you in the next video. Goodbye.